Hi, I'm Danielle with All Terrain Family, and we came out to the Black Rock Desert to show you our new van. We got a van because we really enjoy camping and the outdoors. And many times we're traveling during the shoulder season, which can be really nice because there are less people and the temperatures are not as hot as during the summertime. But the weather is also unpredictable. And we really wanted to have the ability to be comfortable and warm and out of the wind and the weather when we were out camping. All right, this is a mouthful. This is a 2021 Ford Transit crew van. It's all-wheel drive. It has the EcoBoost engine. It's a 148-inch wheelbase, and this is the long version, not the extended version, and it has a medium roof. We chose the Ford Transit because we were looking for a van that was economical. The Ford has a lot of great safety features in it. We chose the crew van because it has enough seats so that we can safely transport our entire family in the van. We chose the 148-inch wheelbase because the 130-inch wheelbase was just too short for a family of 4. And we didn't want the extended option on the van because it's just too big. So I guess it's a Goldilocks story, right? Like the 148-inch wheelbase long version was just right for us. All-wheel drive was something that was really important to us. We're not intending to make this van into a rock crawler, but it needs to be capable on dirt roads, be able to handle weather conditions, mud, snow, rain. All-wheel drive was definitely something at the top of the list for options. So again, with kind of the Goldilocks situation, we didn't really want a low roof. A high roof would be nice, but the medium roof had enough headroom and it was available. So this van was kind of a unicorn, and we were actually really lucky to find it. The crew vans have actually just been discontinued by Ford, and they're no longer taking orders for them. So the crew van, carries, again, 5 people, and it also has these great safety features for the second row of seats. It actually has airbags, side curtain airbags. But in addition to that, this van had all sorts of extras and upgrades. Part of it was this adventure prep package, and it had wiring harnesses for building out a camper van. It has an extended range gas tank. It's got 2 batteries under the front driver's seat, and it had fancy stuff in it too, like motorized seats and heated seats, and I think it has an upgraded stereo. It has the blackout wheels and the blackout front grille. So again, it was like fully loaded, this van, and it only had 28,000 miles on it. So it was really incredible that we were able to find it. So we've only had the van for a couple of weeks, and we were really excited to come out on our first trip. We came out to the Black Rock Desert, and it's a full moon, and we needed a way to sleep in the van. So Mike came up with this idea. It's modular, it's minimalist, it's lightweight, there's tons of storage, and it's actually really comfortable.
Van life. Back in my day, they used to call it car camping.
right, seriously though, we have some big plans for this van and some cool ideas on how to turn this into a really great adventure rig for our family. Thanks for joining us. Happy trails.